Hi, we have Sohail from
Medispend.
Medispend. So how are you enjoying this conference?
I'm having a good time. I'm learning a lot of things. I'm meeting a lot of new people. It's my first time at FOSSASIA Bangkok, so really excited to be here. Yep.
And what did you learn about Cosmos DB and have you used it before?
So yes, so we use Cosmos DB in our practice at work. So I belong to a medical software as a service company, and part of the stack that we use, we need to record and store information about the activities that various medical professionals do. So in order to do that, we use an external vendor called Form.io. But then all the data that is entered via that Form.io interface, that tool, all of that goes into Cosmos DB. So that is how we use. What value it brings to us is the flexibility in storing the kind of various JSON data structures.
Yeah, so I'm Prerit. I'm a member technical staff at Cognitos currently. So I've been exploring different cloud platforms and the database offerings they are having. And I just use Azure Cosmos DB and it's pretty good. I use it for my side projects as well, like browser automation, which I'm going to present today.
Sure.
And provides very good flexibility and compatibility with the very extensible database, I'll say. So definitely a good NoSQL database that everyone should give a try.
Thank you from Air Arabia. And how is the conference?
The conference is really great. I got to visit and see what awesome projects other organizations are doing.
So what did you learn about Azure Cosmos DB?
For Azure Cosmos DB, actually I've used it once in one of my pet projects, and I could say it's a really good NoSQL DB.
Cosmos is a distributed NoSQL database building AI-first applications, and I love the free tea. As a student, is the go-to database my projects.
It's a good conference. Luckily for me, this is the second time I'm visiting. It has been a good interaction with a lot of companies, including Microsoft, that I got to know and work with in my past. So it's a good experience.
So what do you know about Azure Cosmos DB?
I have used Cosmos DB for across 1.5 years at a production scale. It's a very good of a product, very reliable. If you have any replicas or backup stage, the latency is very less. And even if you're working with multiple microservices, it's very reliable for us. So that's all you want from a database, right?
Okay, I'm a former MLSA, so I am pretty much well aware of Azure Cosmos DB. So I'll talk in data science perspective. So I know it's a globally distributed NoSQL solution. And in terms of data science, it's designed for large-scale NoSQL solutions like semi-structured JSON formats. And it's really helpful for designing large-scale feature stores and real-time streaming, etc.